I can feel you out there, making me strong. Everything is changing, now you are gone, and I'm holding on.
So I just spiggled kid songwriter, and the internet people, they don't believe he exists. He does, right?
Oh, kids. Gotta admit, a cappella Nova's sounding good, McLaren.
Wait, what was that?
Only the most incredible voice in the entire universe.
Not Nova. Something else. There it is again! Turn Nova down, bring up the reverse feed.
Nova.
What the honk?
You should be Squabble.
Oh, one of the haters got through the firewall.
No. That's one of Nova's fans.
Holding on. You made me strong.
One of her mega fans is booing her and going on about
Chocolate conspiracy.
chocolate?
Wasn't that a hater thing? Huh? Saying Nova was part of some secret galactic conspiracy to ban chocolate.
Oh no. Nova didn't see the comments, but her fans did. And they believed them.
It's only one fan. She probably won't even notice. Anyway, McLaren, I wanted to... McLaren.
Me somewhere out in the galaxy. I hope that you remember me. All the nights you'll never see. We sing as one. Our time will come. Can we be together forever? Where are you now? Can we...
Please stop booing.
Booing? But booing, what is that?
Shh.
No shushing, never any shushing.
Oh, yes, you. Let me explain. I know you've all heard about this whole secret chocolate ban conspiracy. It's lies. A, Nova loves chocolate. B, she's never been able to keep a secret. And C,
Get off my stage.
a galactic conspiracy. Nova can't organise her fingers. I love a joke as much as the next manager, but the admin alone would be... It's clearly a silly internet rumour. Stop spreading them. Get off. I'm going. You're welcome.
Can we be together forever? I think I figured out what booing is.
I'm Bottle Smithsonian with music news, here to ask Nova Jones the tough questions like, how do you feel about being booed for the first time ever?
Boo! Bad McLaren. Boo! How do you like it? Boo! Finally! Why haven't you released my album? Launch it now! Now!
Oh, hey guys. Alp? What?
My clothes aren't samey.
Or maybe they are?
Breakfast. Eggs.
No. Bacon? No. Granola?
Why can't I just decide?
What's wrong with her? She's acting all flipply and full of self-doubt.
Could be all the hate she's getting online.
What? Hey! What?
You don't try and hog my limelight. I mean, good luck. Bad handwriting. These are all massive fibs, you know that, right?
I mean, yeah. Do you think?
Right. We're gonna take this ship, find the haters, and make them regret the day they ever learn to type.
Right, you little...
They say sticks and stones may break my bones, but words could never hurt me. Didn't you know I'm unbreakable? You're sitting there like a wannabe, behind the keyboard, acting hard, trying to pretend that you're so large, when really you got nothing better to do. I really don't want to hear you talk at all. It's outrageous, irresponsible. Did your mama not teach you respect at all? Outrageous, it's terrible. No wonder you're stunning the strings so small. You're jealous, understandable, but what you're saying is laughable. Yeah, I'm so in my bubble. Your opinion don't really matter at all. Sit home alone, typing your lies, wasting your time trying to hurt me. Hey, on my phone, don't be surprised when I don't we glide. I can see you trying to troll me. I feel sorry for you, 'cause it won't get through. I just ignore it. I know that you're trying to hurt me. I feel sorry for you, 'cause it's jealousy. I just ignore you. Going down, down, no messing around. You're going down, down, 'cause I wear the crown. Yeah, I can see you trying to troll me. I feel sorry for you, 'cause it won't get through. I just ignore it. Hey.
Am I getting smaller, or is that troll getting bigger?
I do not put my sister in danger because I can't fight my own internet battles.
Oh, it is getting bigger. That's bobbins.
Stop it, I've got 9 more verses. Wait, that troll is getting bigger.
Spiggle's got nothing.
I'm not a lobster in a human costume. That's obvious, isn't it? McLaren! Give that back! Sure. Oh, sorry. Thought you said throw it to the captain of the North. No. Ha ha ha, it's funny because that's exactly what you did to me before. This is not the time. Give it back. Now, I'm going to pass you Sid. Oh, no, I'm not.
You have to commit.
Got it. Committed.
Look, son.
No! Stop!
You big sillies.
Hey! It shrunk! The troll!
No, it's growing, Sid. That's the whole point. No, it is getting smaller. No, it's growing again.
Now that we're all looking at it, now that we're all giving it attention.
It feeds on attention!
No, I don't. No, I don't.
It went after Nova because it wanted her attention, but that didn't work because Nova didn't care.
And you all said being massively self-centered was a bad thing.
So it went after me, and I did give it attention. I kept replying to it.
So... if we just ignore it...
It should shrink right down.
Okay, everyone, turn your backs. Ignore the troll.
Oh, look at me! Look at me!
Which
Don't ignore me!
actually quite hard when it's a massive
Look at me!
troll and it's right there.
Look,
Look at me!
I ignore stuff all the time. It's easy. Just think about your best memory.
No! No!
Like the time I won 199 whammies in one night.
like the time I saved Nova from the jungle. Backfish's veins back!
I'm gonna write something mean!
The time I fell asleep in the sofa shop all night long. So many footrests.
Stop it!
The 8,000-page spreadsheet I made? The self-sorting desk tidier I designed? No. Stop it! Wait! Stop it! Nova's entire career, because I organised it all brilliantly.
Thanks, sis.
Can anyone hear anything? It worked!
Yes, I knew it was a wrap.
Ain't the big man anymore, are you?
Please don't squash me!
What? I stepped on its computer. Now it won't type anything. I'll just put this outside.
Ice Age that way.